Creative use of space, reinterpreted. MINI celebrates the premiere of the first crossover model for the premium small car segment. The new MINI Aceman combines compact exterior dimensions with as much room as possible for occupants and an all-electric drive. The result is a contemporary interpretation of classic MINI inventor Sir Alec Issigonis' underlying vision. Maximum utilization of space with a minimum footprint combined with a modern drive concept. The progressive design of the new MINI Aceman provides space for 5 comfortable seats within a vehicle length of just over 4 meters. MINI draws on innovative technologies to enhance the interior with an immersive digital user experience, while the MINI Aceman's all-electric drive gives a fresh boost to the characteristic MINI go-kart feeling. Combined with modern assistance systems and hallmark design, traditional brand values pave the way for an all-electric MINI future. From the outside, the MINI Aceman embodies sporty agility and a self-assured presence. The vehicle architecture of the new crossover model is based on a fully electric drive concept,